Hello everyone. Today in English subject we are going to learn an interesting chapter. Lesson number 8, sounds in the middle of words. I will read few words. Listen to it carefully. Bat, pen, bin, cow and sun. Observe the middle letters of these words. If you observe it carefully, you will find out that the letters in the middle are A, E, I, O and U. These letters, that is A, E, I, O, U, are called vowels. We have studied that altogether there are 26 alphabets, out of which 21 are consonants and the remaining 5, that is A, E, I, O, U, are called vowels. So today we are going to learn a very interesting topic that is related to this vowels sound. Lesson number 8, sounds in the middle of words. Question number 1, write A in each middle square. There are two tables. We have to write A in each middle square. Let us write A in each middle square. When we write A, we get two words in the first table. The first word is bag, 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 and the second word is cat, cat. Let us go to another table. When we write A, in this square also, we get the first word, that is jam, 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 and the second word is fat, fat. I hope this question number 1 is clear to you. We move on to question number 2. Question number 2, write E, I, O and U in the proper boxes. Now see the first table. We will write I in the first table. When we write I, we get two words. The first word is pin, p-e-n, pin, and the second word is teen, t-e-n, teen. Now see the second table. We will write U in the second table. When we write U, we get the two words. The first word is fun, f-a-n, fun, and the second is bun, b-a-n, bun. See the third table. We will write O in the third table. When we write O, the two words are B-O-Y, boy, and the second word is C-O-W, cow. See the fourth table. In the fourth table, we will write E. When we write E, we get the two words. The first word is D-E-N, den, and the second word is pen, P-E-N, pen. I hope this question number 2 is also clear to you.
Question number 4. Read the words and join each word to the starting sound. The first one is already done for you. What you have to do here is you have to match the first sound. For example, see the second one, house. The starting sound of house is H. In column B, you have to find out where the first sound H is there. So see the first word, hat, H. I repeat, hat. The first sound is H and we want H sound. So we will match this. That is house and hat. House, H, starting sound is H, and hat sound, starting sound is also H. Next is duck, D. Let us see in the column B. The sound here in B is doll, D. We want this sound only. So we will match this duck with doll. Now, next example. Yell. The starting sound is here. So, let us see the B column. We have finished hat, doll and when. So now we will take the another word, that is tap. Starting sound is t. We don't want t. We want ear. So let us go to the next sound, next word. The next word is york, year. Oh, we want ear sound only. So we are going to match this yell with york. See the next example. Rope, r. Here we are getting the starting sound r. So in the column B, we have to find out the starting sound r. So there are only two words which are left in column B. The first one is tap. Tap, t. We don't want t sound, we want r sound. So let us see the another word. Ring, re, r. Here we are getting r sound. So we will match this rope with ring. The last is tree, t sound. And in column B, the word which is left is tap. And we are getting sound T. So we are going to match this tree with the word tap.
I hope this question number is clear to you. Thank you.